Well, talking communications center doesn't work anymore. It is 50 years old, so I understand. I can try to fix it, but I have to break this unit because it's been glued. After that, take out this unit and try to repair, but I have no guarantee. Also, for the viewing screen, unfortunately, inside the picture strap's been cut with the edge. If I want to reconnect it, once again, I have to dismantle the whole thing. I don't know whether it'll be worth it, but at least not now. I won't do it until I get better idea. However, after a careful look, I think I have a repair plan. But I will test with a fresh battery first before I go full repair, as sometimes it is just the battery issue on many vintage toys, because people just assume it is vintage, it may not work. Anyhow, should I repair it, it'll be for another video episode. Hello my friends. Today's video is 1974 G.I. Joe Adventure Team vehicle set, The Fate of the Troubleshooter, one of my most favorite 80 sets. Well, actually all 80 vehicle sets and figures are equally the same to me. They are awesome, beautiful, wonderful, great. I will make videos on them one by one, time permitting. Now please enjoy viewing what this set is actually like. The Delta X7 Communications all-terrain vehicle. Talking communications center. Adjustable fold-up solar power source. Revolving radar antenna. And other miscellaneous revolving equipments. Sliding circuitry drawer. Mid-wheel with suspension. And of course, last but not least, the crazed vulture. Thanks for watching, guys. Adventure Team forever. Have a good one. Ciao.